My Husky CR125 won't start, and y'all left some really good guesses on why it's not working despite having compression, spark, and fuel. Now, two-strokes don't have a timing chain for the valves, but they do have ignition timing settings to control when the bike sparks. Ours was set correctly, but our wood drift key was just sheared, resulting in the spark hitting way after the compression cycle. Now with a fresh wood drift key in there, our bike fires up money every single time, and we're ready to hit the track.